हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे 5th क्लास की मॉरल का 5th चैप्टर थिंक फर्स्ट। थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक। नेहा एंड मनोज वर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स। नेहा और मनोज भाई बहन हैं। They lived in a newly established colony where only a few families were living. One day, they were happy because after a long period, someone had came to live next door. A boy about Manoj's age was sitting in a deck chair of his garden at the far end. It was an evening. Neha and Manoj were very eager to talk to him. Let's throw a ball over the fence, and when he comes with the ball, we will talk to him and see if he will play with us, said Neha to Manoj. According to the plan, Manoj threw the ball over the fence, which fell near the chair of the boy. The boy saw the ball but did not get up to collect it from the chair. He turned back to the book he was reading. Neha and Manoj were angry with the activity of the boy, then began to enter through a hole in the fence. They heard a voice from the boy who was calling his mother. When she came out, the boy said something to her. After listening him, the mother picked up the ball and threw it back over the fence. Stupid, lazy creature, said Neha. Manoj was loaded and said, Lazy stick up boy. He is very selfish boy. We will not talk to him, said Neha. नेहा ने बोला कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फिश है, हम इससे बात नहीं करेंगे. After that, with some murmuring sound, Manoj and Neha went from there. Few days after, when Manoj and Neha were playing in their school ground with their friends, they saw a boy who was coming towards them in the playground. His name was Rahul. फिर कुछ दिनों बाद जब मनोज और नेहा स्कूल में खेल रहे थे तो उन्होंने देखा कि उनकी तरफ एक लड़का आ रहा है जिसका नाम है राहुल. Recognizing him that he is the same boy who was sitting in the chair that day, Neha said to him, You are very selfish and lazy boy. You are rude. We do not like you. You are lazy, mean boy, said Manoj to Rahul. With these words, Manoj and Neha accused him very much. They spoke many harsh words to him. Hearing the harshness of Manoj and Neha, Rahul's eyes filled with tears. He was about to weep with anger. This is not good. Your behavior is unfair. Do you know why I called my mother to throw the ball? Said Rahul with grumbling voice. राहुल ने बोला कि तुम्हें पता है मैंने अपनी मम्मी को क्यों बुलाया था? Yes, we know. मनोज ने कहा कि हाँ हमें पता है. You did not want to throw the ball back to us. You could throw the ball back to us, but you called your mother while you sat in the chair. Of course you are lazy, said Neha. Listening these words again, Rahul became puzzled. I may have seemed lazy and selfish, but I am not. I had my leg broken in an accident a few days ago. फिर राहुल ने बोला कि मैं तुम्हें शायद लेजी दिखता हूँ पर मैं हूँ नहीं. मेरा जो लेग है वो टूट गया था थोड़े दिन पहले एक एक्सीडेंट की वजह से. You could not see the plaster in my leg because it was covered by the trouser. I had also promised to my mother that I would not move until I was quite well. The boy explained the whole story. Hearing the boy, Neha and Manoj realized their mistake. फिर जब राहुल की बात सुनी नेहा और मनोज ने तो को उनकी मिस्टेक रियलाइज हो गई. They were feeling ashamed of their behavior. Now they were silent with their heads bowed downwards. They were feeling guilty. They realized that they should have thought before speaking anything to that boy. फिर उन्होंने सोचा कि उनको पहले सोचना चाहिए था उससे बोलने से पहले. They promised in their heart that they will not speak anything before thinking over it. Thank you.